started, make sure you have a wide stance in this form, and we're gonna get a lot into our knees. So just follow along the best you can. All right, open your legs, and we're gonna start just with bouncing the knees to the beat. So bounce. Good. Let your arms go. Don't have to worry too much about posture here. Just relax. Bounce those knees. Down, down. Good. Nice. And stop. Down in a squat. Let your toes be turned out slightly to the diagonals. You don't want them forward because then it looks like you're turning your knees in. So a nice squat, toes turned out. Stay here for a minute. Get comfortable. We're gonna start rotating our knee in and out, in and out. So notice I'm using the ball of my foot and lifting my heel to get this knee in. Switch, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Let's try it faster. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and switch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lean away from the leg. 5, 6, 7, and switch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want you to notice that while I'm doing this, I'm still keeping that bounce that we were working on in the beginning, right? So I'm going in, bounce, in, bounce. So you don't just want to stay still and your legs going in and out. You have to keep the beat of the music with the bounce, right? So we're going in, bounce, in, bounce, in, bounce, in. Speed it up. Boom. Keep that bounce. 5, 6, 7, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Give your legs a break for a minute. All right. Next step. Back in that stance. Bend the knees. Toes are out. We're gonna snake. Head comes up. Lead with the head to the side and up. Head, up, head, up. Notice my weight is going from leg to leg. I'm pushing to the other side. Boom. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try for twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Don't lean forward, you'll fall. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6. Good. Let's get back into your bounce. Let's repeat the knees. Go in, 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 in. 5, 6, 7, and switch, and in. 5, 6, 7, and snake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 5, 6. Good. Next one. Close your feet. Heels are together. Bend your knees. You're gonna open your knees, close, open, close, open, like one of those thigh masters, right? And you're staying on the balls of your feet. So you're not in your heels. You have to be forward on the balls of your feet. And what's happening is you're rolling kind of out to your baby toe. So be careful. 5, 6, let's speed it up. You're gonna go out, 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 out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Relax. Starts to burn the legs. That's a good thing. 1, 2. We're gonna go right back to it. Close the feet and out. Make sure you're bent. Don't do the straight legs. 6. Swing the arms. Swing. Yeah? One arm's coming forward, one arm's going back. Swing, swing, swing. And don't forget your bounce. Don't forget your bounce, right? This is still happening even though I'm opening and closing. Bounce, bounce. Every time I open my legs, I'm bouncing down, 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 down. Give me a two-step. Good. Okay, Next step, up, step. So bring your heel back and step it down. 2. Right, just like this. So it's up, down, up, down, up. Keep the knees bent. Don't ever lock your knees. Let's just speed that up. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Good. Slow it back down. Rotate your upper body to the diagonal, yes? So now I'm turning and turning, right? So my body's going here, 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 here. All right, let's speed that up. You ready? 5, 6, 7, let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, you're rotating. Rotate that upper body. You can do whatever you want with your arms. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce. Remember, we're always bouncing. All right, let's take our drills. From the top, give me knees. Up on the toe, lean away from the knee. And switch. Don't forget there's a bounce, there's always movement. Do it again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and snake. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 6. Bring the feet together and open, 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 open. Stay low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the steps, and 1. Don't forget the chest turns. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job.